This is a 3-minute video that explains in a simple way on how to put together your brand new universal corner sofa bed. There are 5 simple steps to follow before you can cozy up in front of the telly or take a nap. So here goes. Stage 1. The delivery of 3 packages. The sofa bed comes in 3 plastic protected packages of different sizes. Don't worry, the pillows and the screws are safely inside. Take a pair of scissors and carefully unwrap the packages and throw away the plastic and cardboard. It's good to recycle if you can. Remember when using scissors to not damage the sofa bed. Make sure you also have enough space in the room for this sofa assembly, and make sure your old sofa has been removed. Stage 2. Parts and tools. Once you've unwrapped the packages, you should have 10 number of parts. You should also have the following tools handy for the assembly. That's a drill or spanner with size 10mm nut bolt, a Stanley knife, and a pair of scissors. Make sure to check you have all the screws, nuts and bolts as per on the screen. If you don't have them, please ring our friendly advisors who can quickly resolve this matter. Stage 3. Putting together the storage section. The first thing to remember is that the holes used for the screws need to be exposed by using a Stanley knife in 2 locations. Use the screws and align them with the exposed holes as per the screen to fit the backrest for the storage section together. Do the same for the armrest attached to the storage section to complete the assembly of this section. Stage 4. Putting together the extended bed section. Expose the appropriate holes by using a Stanley knife in 2 locations of the armrest attached to this section. Use the screws and align the exposed holes as per the screen to fit the side section together. Next, slot in the back section. This may be tricky and you might need some help. Stage 5. Connecting the 2 sections together. Expose the appropriate holes by using a Stanley knife in 2 locations. Use the screws and align with the exposed holes as per the screen to fit the 2 sections together. Move the sofa bed to the correct position so that the sofa storage can open and the sofa bed can be extended safely. After all that work, now it's time to take a nap on your new sofa bed.